afternoon, administrators, faculty, staff, parents, teachers, and relatives. It is my honor to present to you Los Alamitos High School Class of 2015. Title, I love Los Al last year, and you would expect a graduation speaker to tell you that he loves the school. Now, I can tell you how I love Los Al because it's ranked in the top 1% of all schools, which it is, and it gives the number of national titles their teams have won, which is a lot. But the fact is, those aren't the reasons you, or I, or even Dr. Arnold loves Los Al. You, my fellow classmates, are the reason I love Los Al. To illustrate my point, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. If you're anything like me, you showed up to school the first day of freshman year, a bit nervous, uncertain, not sure what the next 4 years had in store. Maybe you were terrified by the circling mass of seagulls overhead. Maybe you could tell the 500 building from the 600 building, from the 800 building, from the... You get the picture. And maybe, just maybe, that cute freshman you asked to walk into class, that was Miss Avina. I'm not saying it happened to me, but it happened to anyone, right? Anyway, if you're anything like me, these fears vanish after a week, if not a day, at Los Al. It didn't take me long to realize that here, high school is not like a job where you punch in at 7:48, absorb as much knowledge as you can, and then punch out at 2:30. Los Al isn't just a school. It's a community. It's a microcosm of the real world, filled with every kind of person, with a vast array of personalities, interests, desires, and talents. And what makes our school so great, the real reason that I and everyone here love Los Al, is that every single person has the opportunity to pursue their interests, to grow as human beings, and to be surrounded by other amazing people who are doing just the same. For the artists among us, whether their passion is to paint, or take photos, or sing, or dance, or play an instrument, Los Al embraces you with open arms and some of the best arts programs in the country. But our opportunities didn't stop there. For the athletes among us, you competed in countless sports, from soccer, to basketball, to water polo, to lacrosse, to dozens of others. For the developing leaders among us, you took advantage of ASC, Interact, CSF, and Model United Nations. And even for my Russian comrades, Slavic Club was waiting for you with a smile. So, now, after all, we're Griffins. We're smart, courageous, talented, selfless, and let's not forget that we have swag. It was Ralph Waldo Emerson who said, what lies behind you and what lies in front of you pales in comparison to what lies inside you. Our years in high school are behind us, and none of us knows exactly what the coming years have in store. But thanks to Los Al, we know who we are and who we want to become. And that is the greatest education we could ever receive. Congratulations, class of 2015. I wish every one of you the best in your endeavors. And I can't wait to see what mark we give to the world. And now, it's my pleasure to introduce you, LAUSC Board Speaker, Mrs. President Diane